I was a dumb kid growing up. Like, I used to believe people only went to Hooters for the chicken wings. Now I realize they only went to Hooters for the chicken breast. And no, that's not the most stupidest thing I used to think. The most stupidest thing I used to think was how babies were made. And, well, this is how they were made. Okay, so the stork goes and finds its unfortunate victim in order to get them pregnant. Like, going near her mouth and, like, laying the egg inside of her mouth so it goes down to, like, her stomach and such. Then, once the egg is safely secured down in the woman's stomach, then the metamorphosis, quite like a caterpillar's, happens, in which the abomination of a birdman changes into an abomination of a human being. After the metamorphosis is complete, the baby just bursts out of the woman's stomach like a xenomorph, and that's how babies are made. So this is what I fought for like years. Yeah, I was that stupid. Until one day, at this horrible place known as school. So basically my school did an assembly where we all learned where babies were made. And well, here's what they told us. Well, we're all human. It's in our nature to make mistakes. And sometimes we make the same mistake over and over again. But what matters truly is that if we learned from our mistakes. And that's how you were unfortunately born, kiddo. So thank you for watching. And no thank you to the school for giving me third-degree burns. Oh, and fun fact. Did you know that pregnant women are more likely to buy blenders than non-pregnant women? Because they do.